Good morning children. Welcome to today's section. Today's section is for first standard students. And as you people know that we have already completed the previous chapter in the grammar, that is opposite words. Yes children. So here now the next topic in the grammar into your textbooks, that is page number 52 in your textbook. Page number 52 in your textbook, and the name of the topic is days of the week. Days of the week. So here days of the week. Days of the week is what? See children, we have 4 weeks in 1 month. Yes or no? 1 ತಿಂಗಳೊಳಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ವಾರಗಳಿರ್ತಾವು? 4. How many weeks are there? 4 weeks. ವಾರಗಳು. ವಾರಗಳಿಗೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? Weeks ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Yes or no? Now, here in a week. So in 1 week, how many days are there? 7 days. How many days are there in a week, children? 7 days. So these 7 days are having 7 names. Okay, all the 7 days are having 7 names. So all the 7 days are having 7 names, same names? No, all the 7 days are having different names. All the 7 days are having different names. Yes, there are 7 days in a week. The first day is Monday. The last day is Sunday. The first day of the week is what? Monday. And the last day of the week is what? Sunday. So children, in between this Monday and Sunday, from Monday to Saturday, you people come to school. It is the working day for all. Sunday is what? Sunday is a week off. What we call for it? Week off. We have a holiday on Sunday. Yes or no? We have a holiday on Sunday. For that, we call it as week off. What we call? Week off. So here children, so in between the Monday and Sunday, there are how many days? 5 days. Monday is the first, Sunday is the last. So in a week there are 7 days. Now 2 days names we already know. In between how many days remain now? 5 days have remained. How many days children? 5 days. So these 5 days are also having different names. Yes or no? So here first point we will write in the book, that is there are 7 days in a week. 1 point. Yes, the first day is Monday. What is the first day? The first day is Monday. First day is Monday. Monday. The last day. The last day is Sunday. The last day is what? Sunday. So here children, you can see, here I have written Monday and Sunday in blue color. In which color? Blue color. And the first letter is capital here. Yes children, all can see me. The first letter is capital of Monday and Sunday. So this first letter, why the first letter is capital here? Because it is the name of the particular day. Why it is capital? Because it is the name of the particular day. So the first letter of the day is capital. It is the name of the day. ಒಂದು ಹೆಸರದು. ನಾ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಯಾವ ವಾರ ಶುಕ್ರವಾರ, ನಾಳೆ ಯಾವ ವಾರ ಶನಿವಾರ, ಮುಂದಿನ ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವ ವಾರ ರವಿವಾರ. So we have the names for the days. So the particular day only we give the name. So same like that only, whenever the names of the days, the names of the months we write the first letter capital because it comes in the proper noun. This proper noun you will learn later, not now, in the next class. Yes. So this first letter, whenever we are writing the names of the days, the first letter should always begin with the capital letter only. So now coming to the next part, the days of the weeks are. So here, next one, the days of the week are. The days of the week are. So the first day is what here? The first day is Monday. The next is Tuesday. The next is Wednesday. The next is Thursday. And the next is Friday. Then the next is Saturday. And the last is Sunday. Yes, these are the names of the day. So let us read these names of the days with the spellings. So here, M-O-N-D-A-Y, Monday. M-O-N-D-A-Y, Monday. T-U-E-S-D-A-Y, Tuesday. T-U-E-S-D-A-Y, Tuesday. W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y, Wednesday. W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y, Wednesday. T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y, Thursday. T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y, Thursday. F-I-R-D-A-Y, Friday. F-R-I-D-A-Y, Friday. S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y, Saturday. S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y, Saturday. S-U-N-D-A-Y, Sunday. S-U-N-D-A-Y, Sunday. So, how many days are there, children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. There are 7 days in a week. The first day is Monday. The last day is Sunday. The days of the week are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So these are the 7 days of the week. So here, the first one. So this was the basic introduction of the days of the week, children. Now next, we will go with the exercise. This also you all have to write in your notebooks. So here, fill in the blanks with the correct names of the days. First one, fill in the blanks with the correct names of the days. Names of the The first day of the week dash is the first day of the week. Second, Sunday comes just after. Name of the day is capital. Sunday comes just after. Just after dash. Next, Thursday. Thursday is between dash and dash. Thursday. Thursday is between dash and dash. Fourth, the day before Tuesday is dash. The day before Tuesday is dash. Fifth one, Wednesday comes between Wednesday comes between dash and dash. Dash and dash. Then the sixth one, dash is a weekly holiday. Dash is the weekly holiday. Yes. So here children, now you can see here they have said fill in the blanks with the correct names of the days. Dash is the first day of the week. Yes children. So at the side I have written the names of the days. So here you can see children now the first day. Which is the first day here? Monday. So Monday is the first day. Monday is the first day of the week. Now Sunday comes just after. So see here, where is Sunday? Here. Before Sunday which day is there? Saturday. So Sunday comes just after Saturday. So we have to write here what? Saturday. Name of the day, the first letter capital. Next, Thursday is between dash and dash. Thursday. Thursday is between ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಡಬರ್ಕದದು. ಯಾವ್ದು ನಡಬರ್ಕದ? Wednesday and Friday. Yes, Thursday is between Wednesday and Friday. So here it is first is what? Wednesday. And Friday. Friday. Next, the day before Tuesday is. Tuesday ಗಿಂತ ಮೊದಲು ಯಾವುದು ಬರ್ತದೆ? Before ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದರ ಮುಂಚೆ. Before, the day before Tuesday. Which day is here? Monday. Which day is here? Monday. Yes. Wednesday comes between dash and dash. So Wednesday comes. See, Wednesday is in between. First, which day is there before Wednesday? Tuesday. Then after Wednesday, which day is there? Thursday. So Tuesday and Thursday. Between Tuesday and Thursday, Wednesday will come. Tuesday, Wednesday, and then Thursday. Next, Dash is the weekly holiday. I said a week off. Which day we have a holiday in the week? Sunday. Which is the day? Sunday. Sunday. So children, see here. Monday is the first day of the week. Sunday comes just after Saturday. Thursday is between Wednesday and Friday. The day before Tuesday is Monday. Wednesday comes between Tuesday and Thursday. Sunday is the weekly holiday. Sunday is what? The weekly holiday. Now next. So next is here, write one activity you like to do on each day of these days. So second one, write one activity, you like to do on each of these days. So here, first one. What is the first one? Monday. First one is what here? Monday. So what activity we do? We have to write here. So here, second is what here? Tuesday. Third is Monday, Tuesday. Then the third day is what, children? Wednesday. The fourth day, Thursday. Then the fifth day, Friday. Sixth day is what? Saturday. Seventh day is Sunday. Yes. So here children, one example or two examples I will show you what you have to write. They have asked us to do what? Write one activity you like to do on each of these days. In a week there are 7 days. So 7 days also, one day you have to do one activity. What activity you people do in the home, that you have to write. One example I will show you children. I go to the music class on Monday. Yes? Now second one here, Tuesday. Tuesday what you do? Tuesday, I love to do puja of Lakshmi goddess. Then now coming to Wednesday. Wednesday what you people will do? Wednesday ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? Wednesday ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಿ? ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? That. What activity you do? You have to write Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Sunday, where you like to go? Week off. You go with your family, you go to the village, you go to some park. Wherever you like, you have to write the days. Friday, the next is Saturday, and the last is Sunday. So these are the 7 days. Okay, you have to follow the 7 days where you like to go in the 7 days. So here, first I have written, I go to the music class on Monday. I love to do puja of Lakshmi goddess on Tuesday. Wednesday you can write where you go, where you prefer to go. Whatever you like to do, you can write there. Saturday you can write, I visit to a park on Saturday. See, this is Friday and this is Saturday. And the last day is what? Sunday. Sunday you can write, Sunday I spent or I enjoy, you can write, I enjoy with my parents. Saturday, I complete my homework and go to play. I complete my homework and go to play. This Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, I will give you children. You write whatever you like. Some people you go for music class, some people you go for dance class, some people you learn some different your religion things. That also you can write, or whatever activity you people do, that also you can write. Wherever you visit, that also you can write. Whatever things you do, whatever activities you do, you have to write there in the blank, fill in the blanks. So remember children, what we studied today? We studied today the topic that is days of the week. The topic is what? Days of the week. And in a week, how many days are there? There are 7 days in a week. So the first day of the week is what? Monday. Second day, Tuesday. Third day, Wednesday. Fourth, Thursday. Fifth, Friday. Sixth, Saturday. And the last 7th is what? Sunday. So these all 6 days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. These all 6 days we are working. Yes, these all 6 days we are working, going to school, Mummy Papa going to office, everything we do in this all working days. But Sunday is what? Sunday you don't go to school, you don't go to tuitions, you don't go to any classes. Why? Because Sunday is a week off. Sunday is what? Sunday is a week off and you people enjoy Sunday. You spend time with your family. You go outside with your family. Yes or no? And Saturday is what? Half day. So Saturday will be a half day. You go early to home, you eat your food, you sleep, and by the evening you complete all your homework and you go to play. Why? Because Sunday whole day you want to enjoy. So like this way, there are 7 days in a week and all the 7 days are having different names. Yes or no? All the 7 days are having different names. We call on that. If Somvar aitandre adಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಶನಿವಾರ ಅನ್ನಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಸೋಮವಾರ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Why? Because it has a particular name for the day. The days they have the particular name for the day. Yes or no? So here today we have completed the topic that is days of the week. Once I will show you children here. Here you can see in the video. Yes. See, which is the first day children here? Monday. Which is the first day? Monday. Monday is what here? First day. Second, Tuesday. Third day is what? Wednesday. And the last day is Thursday. Next, Friday. And then Saturday. And the seventh day is Sunday. So totally how many days are there in the week? There are 7 days in a week. How many days are there children? 7 days. Totally there are 7 days in a week. So all the days they have particular names for each and every day. So according to that only we call the days. Yes children? ಅದೇ ಹೆಸರು ತಗೊಂಡು ಆ ಡೇಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸಂಡೇ ವಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಸೇ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇ. ಮಂಡೇ ವಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಸೇ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಫ್ರೈಡೇ. ಮಂಡೇನ ಅಂತೀವಿ, ಟ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇನ ಅಂತೀವಿ, ಸಂಡೇನ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ವೈ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದ ಡೇಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ನೇಮ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದೆಮ್. ನಾವು ಐ ಆಮ್ ರೇಷ್ಮಾ. ಇಫ್ ಐ ಟೆಲ್ ಸಂಬಡಿ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿ, ನೋ, ಐ ಆಮ್ ರೇಷ್ಮಾ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ಮೈ ನೇಮ್ ಇಸ್ ರೇಷ್ಮಾ ಮಿಸ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ರೇಷ್ಮಾ ಮಿಸ್. ನನಗೆ ಯಾರು ಬಂದು ಸೃಷ್ಟಿ ಮಿಸ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ನಂಬ್ತೀರಿ? ನೋ, ನಮ್ಮ ಮಿಸ್ಸಿನ ಹೆಸರು ರೇಷ್ಮಾ ಮಿಸ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ. ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ಲೈಕ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ವೇ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ ದ ಡೇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದೇರ್ ಓನ್ ನೇಮ್ಸ್. The particular days have the particular names only. So we call the days with their names only, like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So totally 7 days in a week have 7 names for all. So with this we have completed this topic. These 3 sentences 1, 2, 3. These 3 sentences I have given you for homework. What you have to do? Homework. These 3 sentences you have to do it for the homework. ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಮ್ಮಿ ಪಪ್ಪ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಈ 3 ಡೇಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಈ 3 ದಿನದೊಳಗೆ ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಏನು ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ವಂತ ನೀವು ಬರಿಬೇಕು. Okay children? Then write the notes as I have given on the board. Write the same notes in your notebooks and send me the photocopy of the notes. Most of the students, ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ಲಿ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಟ್ಸನ್ನು ಬಿಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಡೇ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.